Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add payment method on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you haven't any payment method, so let's see how can you easily add a new payment method to your iPhone. So there's two different ways. First way is that you just have to open up your app store and here just tap on your account in the top right corner. Then tap on your name or your Apple ID here and you will get the option of manage payments. Manage payments, you will have to select the manage payments option and here you will get the screen where you can easily add your payment method or you can easily do this on your settings. So go for settings here, then tap on your Apple ID and here you will get the option of payment and shipping. Here you have to select the payment and shipping option and here you can easily add your payment method. You just have to select your credit card or debit card and then you have to enter these information about that, and once you have entered simply tap on the done option and your payment method will be added. So in this way, you can easily add a new payment method into your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.